Jones wanted was a simple latch box, but her mom wouldn't let her get one, and trust me, she was furious. Now she is very mad at Mother Jones and might throw a shoe at her.
Q, that's when the shoe should come in, right?
Oh, that's when... Okay, Joey, read your line.
I know. Why can't you be more smart like me?
More smart.
Wait, you're first.
Oh, Mom, I hate you. I wish you would just disappear.
Why can't you be smart like me? Because I know what 5 times 2 is. What is it?
What is it? What is it?
The worst actors ever.
What is it?
12.
What's with the towel?
That's his hair. I guess
He's the mother.
Josephine.
12 plus George Washington would be deaded.
Say George Washington would be deaded. Would
Your hair's falling off.
Second,
would be deaded. Even more if he knew bad math. That's why he discovered the electricity. Anyway, I think
George Washington did.
okay, guys,
with your own
He
little
invented the
box
light bulb too.
with no latches, son.
I'm a girl.
Exactly, sugar buddy.
You're Joe now.
Oh yeah.
This is Joe now.
Wait, you're supposed to next time.
She's doing it. Ah!
Oh, you're supposed
Okay, say your lines.
Let's go get you that box.
Okay, I can buy this box.
I buy this box. Well, sure you can. See. The narrator.
Narrator.
Julia walks home, bringing her latch box, bringing her new latch box